the tilt pour process, you control the speed and the angle in which you pour the metal into the gates and risers to fill up the part. Does it change based off of the geometry, size, and weight of the part?
It does. Every part is different.
Yeah, another way we explain the process is that it's custom, right? So if you're coming to our team or any team, they should be asking questions around the different complexities that go into your part, the different types of surface finishes, where you're looking for those, tolerancing from a machine perspective afterwards, tolerancing from a cast perspective.
Right.
A lot of times there's companies out there that have parts that get hidden, so you don't really need great surface finish in certain areas.
And they'll even allow a little porosity here.
Yeah, absolutely. So it'll still be a very dense casting because
Correct.
it's using the tilt pour process. But a lot of the surface finish, secondaries, could be eliminated because they don't need it. Whereas there are some industries, so you get a lot of it in food and medical that high surface
That's
finish.
one reason why you use permanent mold versus sand.
Okay.
Because of metal properties.
Sure.
You get better properties with permanent mold.
And you see a lot of that again, in the medical and the food equipment side of things. If you think of the FDA, they got to control blood getting stuck somewhere or food particles getting stuck within equipment, and that's just not something that passes. So a dense casting from a tilt pour process is a good route to go.